大家好. Hello everybody, welcome to Teacher Clint's Mandarin Chinese class, and today we're gonna learn the modal particles in Chinese. 语气词 They are part of the particles we just learned in the last lesson. These are used to form questions or change the tone of the fact. Alright, there are four main types of modal particles. First type, for interrogative particles, like ma to ask a question, and bounce back, n like and you. Okay, ba for guessing. Remember, these particles are all added at the end of the sentence to turn a fact into a question or something else. Do you like drinking tea? How to say that in Chinese? 你喜欢喝茶吗? Right, if we remove the ma, that is a fact. You like drinking tea, right? Adding ma, you successfully turn that statement into a question, into a yes or no question. Okay, next one. I am in Beijing, and you? So this 我在北京，你呢? This is a typical bounce back question, right? Add a ne after 你, it's like and you. You are Chinese, right? 你是中国人吧? So here we added the ba at the end of the sentence because we wanna ask for confirmation, right? We are like maybe 80% sure about this, but we're not 100% sure, so we just ask for confirmation. Ba is like right, correct? Okay, the second type of particles are modal particles, imperative and consultative particles. When you want to make a suggestion, use ba. Or when you want to soften the tone, right? You can, or urgency, you can use ah. For example, how to say let's go eat together. 我们一起去吃饭吧. Without this ba, it's like a command, like a let's go do something, right? But if you add a ba, it's like shall we go eat, right? But it's still a statement, more polite, right? And more friendly. Be a little careful. 小心点儿啊. So we add a to make the tone more friendly and caring, especially you can say this to your friend, right? Or parents say this to children to show their care, right? Without it, it will sound like a military order, right? Third type, exclamatory or emphatic particles used to show exclamation or emphasize. Ma, it means obviously, right? Exclamation, la, this is a pleasant feeling. Ya shows surprise. This matter is very simple, obviously. 这件事很简单嘛. 这件事很简单嘛. So we added this ma modal particle to emphasize that it's quite obvious, right? Emphasize this thing is really simple. Next one. We are finally on vacation. 我们终于放假了. To show your excitement. So this la is like a combination of le and a. Yeah, to show your excitement, happiness. Alright, next one. This flower is so pretty. 这花真漂亮呀. So we added this ya modal particle to show that we are surprised, or just to show our exclamation, right? The fourth type of particles, modal particles, declarative and state particles. Like le, remember we added at the end of the sentence to change the state of the sentence, and de to add a certainty, and ne for ongoing state. This ne is a versatile. Previously we learned that we can use it for bounce back question, but here we can add it at the end of the sentence to show something is ongoing, similar with the 这, right? It is raining now. 下雨了. So le is like now. You can translate like that. But fundamentally it means the change of state, like before or previously not raining, but now it's raining. 下雨了. This le is a modal particle here. I will help you. 我会帮你的. You can say 我会帮你. That means I will help you. But if you add the to add some certainty, means no worries, I will help you. It is still raining outside. 外面还下着雨呢. Okay, so this 这 indicates a continuous tense, but we added ne to emphasize that this something is still ongoing. All right, pretty good, everybody. So today we learned the modal particles, right, which is a part of the particles. Enjoy learning. 再见.